The company Sarens isn't just a big name in construction. It's the kind of company you call when a job feels almost impossible. With over 150 years of combined experience, they don't just operate cranes. They control some of the most powerful lifting machines on the planet. And at this level, even the smallest mistake can turn into a complete disaster. Their work has helped build massive oil rigs, complex bridges, and towering wind turbines across Europe, Asia-Pacific, Africa, North America, and South America. But what you're about to see isn't just another project. It's something far more intense. Right now, a massive component is being transported. One wrong move, and everything could collapse in seconds. This isn't just a piece of metal. It's a critical part of a much larger structure. Sarens has been brought in for one reason. Because when the pressure is at its highest, they're the ones people trust. Every step in this operation is carefully calculated. They can't just lift something this heavy and place it anywhere. Everything has to be exact. The angle, the balance, the timing. One small miscalculation could cost millions. And yet, through precision and control, they managed to complete the structure in the UK. But here's something most people never think about. Another company, Sheet Piling UK, plays a role that is just as critical, maybe even more than you'd expect. They specialize in temporary sheet piling solutions used for ground stabilization, river wall protection, and excavation support. With over 25 years of experience, they've worked across infrastructure, residential, and commercial projects. Normally, pile driving is loud, aggressive, and chaotic, the kind of noise that shakes the ground. But Sheet Piling UK does things differently. Their method is quieter, more controlled, almost unsettling in how smooth it is. What you're seeing here is their pile driver. Instead of hammering piles into the ground, they hydraulically push them in. It's cleaner, more precise, and far more efficient. And this silent process is what gives the entire structure its strength. Without it, everything above could eventually fail. Now, let's talk about the machines behind all of this. The Swiss company Liebherr produces some of the most advanced construction machinery in the world. Their cranes aren't just tools. They're built for specific challenges. Crawler cranes handle heavy lifting on rough terrain. Tower cranes dominate high-rise construction. And mobile cranes are perfect for bridge work and industrial lifting. These machines combine reach, power, and compact design in a way that almost feels unreal. Next, we move to Loxam, a company known for its role in renewable energy projects. Here, they are working on the foundation of a wind turbine. But this isn't just pouring concrete. It's a process that demands absolute precision. The radial concrete foundation is prepared with extreme accuracy. Every measurement is checked before anything is placed. With the help of a powerful crane, the foundation is carefully lowered into position and reinforced with rebar. This creates a base strong enough to support the entire structure. Then, piece by piece, the wind turbine is assembled, each part added with care to ensure long-term durability. And just when things seem under control, the scale increases again. Georgia Power is working on a massive nuclear cooling tower. This structure uses a hyperboloid design, unusual but incredibly efficient. It improves cooling performance while maintaining strength and safety. The outer shell is built first, shaping the tower's iconic form. Inside, hot air from the reactor is cooled and released through the top. The air is clean, free from radiation and pollutants, making the system both safe and effective. Still, the sheer size of the structure is enough to make anyone pause. Now, in a completely different environment, another challenge begins. A machine from Menzi Muck moves across extremely difficult terrain. This isn't a normal work site. Steep slopes and unstable ground make every movement risky. The goal here is excavation, but the real challenge is staying stable. This machine is designed with large, rugged tires and a flexible structure that adapts to uneven surfaces. It can carry drilling components while maintaining balance in conditions where most machines would fail. Its lightweight design, combined with powerful performance, makes it perfect for these extreme situations. Finally, we come to the Marti Group. They specialize in tunnel construction, cutting through solid rock with incredible precision. Using advanced equipment, they create tunnels and openings through some of the toughest ground imaginable. Speed matters here, but accuracy matters even more. One small mistake could lead to serious consequences, and yet they maintain complete control throughout the entire process. And that's what makes all of this so fascinating. Behind every massive structure, every perfect result, there are risks, challenges, and moments where everything could go wrong. This isn't just construction. It's precision under pressure. It's human skill pushed to its limits, combined with machines powerful enough to change the world. And somehow, it all comes together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.